What's your favorite way to stay organized?
I rely on a digital calendar to keep track of my schedule.
What's your favorite piece of furniture in your home?
My comfy reading chair is my favorite spot.
What's your favorite childhood toy?
Legos provided endless hours of creativity.
What's your favorite genre of movies?
I'm a fan of science fiction. It sparks the imagination.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I always enjoyed history classes.
What's your favorite way to express yourself creatively?
I love writing poetry as a form of self-expression.
What's your favorite type of footwear?
Sneakers are my go-to. They're comfortable and versatile.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I enjoy hiking in scenic landscapes.
What's your favorite childhood cartoon character?
Mickey Mouse always brings back fond memories.
What's your favorite social media platform?
I prefer Instagram for its visual focus.
What's your favorite way to unwind on the weekend?
Watching a good movie or series at home.
What's your favorite type of art?
I appreciate abstract art for its unique interpretations.
What's your favorite type of bread?
Sourdough is my absolute favorite.
What's your favorite aspect of your job?
Problem solving and the sense of accomplishment.
What's your favorite childhood game console?
Nintendo 64 provided countless hours of fun.
What's your favorite mode of communication?
I prefer texting for its convenience.
What's your favorite way to learn something new?
I'm a visual learner, so I prefer watching tutorials.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
Mangoes are a delicious and refreshing treat.
What's your favorite way to spend quality time with friends?
Having a game night with friends is always a blast.
What's your favorite type of flower?
Sunflowers never fail to brighten my day.